Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can add text filter or text slicer in Power BI, which is a new visual. Now let's get started. First, I'll come to my page where I have a table of data. So this data is about projects, their start date, progress, status, role, and so on. Now to add the text slicer, first I'll go to the visualization pane, and here you can see that there is one called text slicer. I'll simply select it. Let me just bring it in the middle. Mhm. Now it says here enter text. We will see how we can further format it. But if I enter any text here, for example, if I enter, let's say done, it will not work. It will not work because here we have to add a field and it will filter out that field. So for example, if I bring the status here and if I now select or add done, now you see that it has filtered out the status by done. So you will have to add the field here. Uh, let's say if you want to, normally for the status you can have other kind of slicers because they are more or less, they're just few values that you have, but for project names or team member name you can add the text filter. So let's say let's add the project name here, and I will search by cloud, and now the two that have cloud migration, cloud optimization, you can see they are appearing here. Now you cannot add more than one text field. So for example, if I drag location here, it will just replace it. So you can only add one. Let's bring it back to project name. Now let's see how we can further format it. I'll go to format your visual. In the slicer setting, you can add multiple select if you want. So it will accept more than one values for here to filter out. We'll just remove that for now. In the input text, you can change this auto placeholder, or I can say filter by project name. So now you see can have it has changed. You can add it, you can make it bold, you can, let's remove the bold, we'll just keep it as like this. And you can also set the transparency. And the dismiss button, this one, you can change it to blue if you want. So if let's say I add cloud again and I will search. So now you see this dismiss button is blue. So you can add the apply text padding, text background. If you want to change it to, let's say, gray, it's already, let's make it blue and let's see how it looks. So I'll search for cloud again. And now you see that it has changed. I'll make it gray. And you can also add that apply text button. So apply text button can be blue and let's say cloud. And now you see, so border, sorry, not the button. So the border is now blue. Apply button icon, this one, you can change it to, let's say, red. You can change the transparency, you can change the size, similarly padding. If you want to add any background, any border, you can add a background color. You can also add a border. It looks really messy, but just showing it to you, so how it is appearing. In the layout also you can set the spacing, and in the input text box you can have the background, border, and the accent bar. So if I say the background should be this, border, if you want, you can make it yellow, and this is how it's appearing. Also, in the generals, you can format it on how you format any of the Power BI visual. You can set a title if you want, but we have already added the text here, so I will remove the title. You can add properties, height, width. You can also change it from here. You can add any effects, background, visual border, or shadow, data format if there is any. You can add it, header icon, and the text. So this is how easily you can create a filter by text in Power BI using the text slicer visual. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.